Oh, oh, Chongqing. I wanna see Chongqing. Oh, oh, Melly wanna see Chongqing, Chongqing. Oh, yeah.
Chongqing, one of my favorite cities in China, and it's a fun city to film, really fun. So in this particular video, I'm going to be going to the Hangya caves, and I'm getting to know how huge this is. It's 11 stories. It goes up to the top of the mountainside, down to the bottom, almost to the river, and I'm just kind of getting to know it a little bit in this video, and I'm just dealing with lots of crowds of people, and more than anything, I'm having a really good time just checking it all out, and the energy of the place, the vibe of the place. It's pretty infectious, and I think you'll enjoy it a lot too. Just the neon lights, just the whole feeling of it. Anyways, that's all behind me. Let's do the map so you can see exactly where we are. So this is where we are in Chongqing. And then also, just so that you have a reference point, I have 39 videos of Chongqing. This is just number 5. So I'll have a lot more coming, so subscribe, and then that way you can catch the other ones. And I'll be putting up one a week, probably for the next 34 weeks, because it's only week 5 right now. So I'll put up one Chongqing video a week so you can see all the different aspects, because I have lots of different parts of Chongqing that I'm going to be exploring. So this is just one of 39. So anyways, with no further ado, let's just get right into it. Start walking around Chongqing with the camera and letting you see what I saw. So we got this nice view of Chongqing from up here. And that's the, there's like all kinds of cool stuff. So people can walk across this bridge. I just found out there's a way to walk across it from over here. And then you have all these tall buildings everywhere in this area. And all these viewpoints as well. Statues. So we're going to start this video, and I don't know where we're going to end up, but this is where we're going to start. So yeah, kind of a rainy day. The lights are just, all this is going to be all lit up pretty soon. I think any minute. It's about 7 p.m., maybe a little bit later. So we're just gonna explore. Shave right there. He's got the traditional hairstyle too. And he also has this beard and that hair as well. Okay, check that out. And I don't know if that sound is lightning or thunder or some train. I don't know. It's so crowded today, but on other days you'd be able to do this and capture stuff, but not today. Which means that I might as well go down too. Oh, they're right there. So the elevator, so they're taking that down. So I'm going to take that as well. So this is kind of crazy, the lines. So there's this big giant line. It looks like it's just layers and layers of people to get into that free entrance right there. And then we're going to get all these shops are going to be down there, so we're going to see all that. So yeah. So we're still navigating. There's the Chongqing Art Museum, that red building way over there in the distance. And we're going to have these amazing views of this in a minute. Okay, through the metal detector, and we're going to go in. There we go. So we're going to be going in this Hangya caves, and you can see these nice views and tons and tons of restaurants. We're going to walk through into here, and then we're going to see, it looks like some people are taking the elevator down, but I'm going to try to enjoy each step along the way. Try to put my shoe on. Interesting. Hold it up right here. Braids. So what I'm going to try to do, I came up that way over there. Let's get inside. Okay, so I think we are on one of these, and this is all called Hangya. You actually get beer here as well. There's another elevator down that way. So we're going to follow this cliff-yanked road. Good.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I'm American. So that looks tasty. Thank you. Actually, I do want to eat those, but I don't want to eat it now in a crowded, crazy, in a loud place. So we're going to go down that way. Into the Meandering caves. So we're gonna go down a layer, and then you can see this is that bridge that we were just on. So this is a little bridge that everybody's coming across, and then we're gonna navigate down layers. So I don't know what layer we're on now, but when we want to exit, we go back up to the top. there's actually layers and layers of different stuff, but we're gonna continue going down this way. So I think we're right in this area, maybe this one. So there's quite a few stories here. 7 and 8. Huh. Or we could go down this way. Well, this level has like wooden floors, which is kind of interesting. Okay, so this one looks like this is kind of like a game arcade floor, so I kind of passed through it quick, but I'm gonna go down to the 6th floor. So I'm just kind of caught in the labyrinth. Okay, actually that would give me a view down that way. They're singing music, and there's a musician there too. Okay, so we're gonna just keep on exploring and go down another layer, and we're kind of in an inside part. Bus. So we're gonna navigate down below, I think. Once you're in here, it's kind of oriented to Lady Gaga. Huh. Like maybe a restaurant? Oh wow. Hello. Huh. Cool table. Oh, let's go.
Very delicious.
What is this?
It's a little pork.
Oh, okay. Oh, it tastes good.
Yeah. Very hot.
Yeah, tasty. Gigi, thank you.
You are welcome.
Gigi and pork. Let's see, that's the exit. I think that might go to the 3rd floor. So I think we're gonna follow that down. We're kind of caught in this little labyrinth of stuff everywhere. And I think this might be the one that I need to navigate it into something better. Oh yeah. I think this is the way. I think I found the way to outside. Yes. Super cool. So what I'm wanting to do next is just get to that waterfront. So they're taking the elevator. So I guess that's elevator to the 7th and 8th floor. Yeah, okay. So this just goes down layers and layers and layers. Crazy. Because the other time I was here, I took a bus and I came down to the bottom of it, and I went up a certain amount of ways, but not, I didn't realize that it went all the way up to like one of the coolest areas of Chongqing. Anyways, I don't want my video to be too long, so this would be another slice of Chongqing, and there's Turkish ice cream over there. So. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to keep on walking all the way through. And then I'm going to probably close this particular video and then come to an ending for this one. This one. Looks like it's like let's see what this is. Check out banana. Oh, okay. This is looks tasty. The lighting is just about perfect, so I want to film a little bit more while the lighting is perfect, and then I'm going to end this particular video. Panda over there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go directly to the end, and then we're going to end the video. So I want to see what that view is. That looks kind of cool. So it's a clothing shop where you can wear the traditional attire. Oh, that looks really tasty. That looks really good. These are really tasty right there. I'm gonna come back and get some. But I want to end this video over there by that wall. Oh, that view. Oh, okay, these are like the little fish ones. Okay, so we're gonna come to conclusion. Oh, they're going down the steps. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to end this video in a moment. That's black tofu. It's like stinky tofu. I think it's from Chongqing. Man, the food is like so good here. So we are going to capture this space. There we go. Wow, that's so crazy. That's so crazy. Like, look at those crowds down there. I don't know if those are all trying to get to a boat or not, but that is amazing. So, okay, so this is a little slice of Chongqing. And I'll label it accordingly down below.